In this video, I'm going to show you how to update apps on Samsung phone. So if you're using a Samsung device and you want to update your application on your Samsung phone, there are two methods that you can use to update application on your Samsung phone. The first method is using the Google Play Store means to update all outdated application on your Samsung device, or use the Samsung Store to update pre-installed application or all applications that you downloaded from the Samsung Store on your Samsung device. In this video, I'm going to walk you through both methods. So the first method to install application on your Samsung phone is go to your Play Store. So you can see my Play Store is on my Samsung home screen. Otherwise, just go to your app menu and search for the Play Store application. So once you see the Play Store application, you want to open the Play Store application. Once the Play Store application is opened, click on the profile icon at the top right. Now you want to click on Manage Apps and Device. Then there is a feature called Update All. See details under Overview or Update Available. If you click on Update Available, you see all application you have pending update on your Samsung device. Now, if you click on Manage Application as well, then tap Update Available, you have access to all the applications that are due for update. As you can see here, I have about 16 different applications that I have to update to the latest version. So if you go to this page and under the overview, you tap this, then click on the application you want to update and hit the update button. Once you hit the update button, you should see this application downloading the application from the cloud. And once the application is downloaded, it will be installed to replace the existing application on your Samsung phone. You can also update all application once on your Samsung phone if you're using the Play Store version. So all you need to do is click on Update All. So once you tap the update all button, you should see all your application updating on your Samsung phone. Then once this application is updated, it will be replaced with the new version. Now, another way that you can use to update application on Samsung phone is using the Samsung App Store. Now, this is what you need to do. Go to your Samsung app menu and look for the App Store. This is the store application, or click on the search button and search for store. Now click on store. Once you hit the store button, wait until the Samsung application opens. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right. This. Then click on update. Here, if there is any update available, you'll be prompted to download and install this update on your Samsung device. The reason why you see all your apps are up to date on my own case is because I recently updated my Samsung application to the latest version. So I do this very often. And of course, you may choose to update your Samsung app automatically. So by going to the settings here and other settings, there is auto update tab. Click on auto update and click either use mobile or Wi-Fi, or you can even use Wi-Fi only depending on your choice. There you go. Henceforth, your Samsung application will download automatically whenever there is an update available. At the same time, if you want to download your Samsung application automatically on the Google Play Store, all you need to do is go to your profile at the top right, then click on settings. Under settings, you want to come to network preferences, then go to auto hub download. This is where you go. Then you want to choose over Wi-Fi only or over any network. So if you choose over any network, once there is an update available, your app will download and install the latest version automatically. So this is how to update app on Samsung phone. This works on all kind of Samsung devices. Doesn't matter whether you're using the S series, the M series, or A series. So I'm just showing you this on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you have version of a Samsung Galaxy A54, you know this is a very cool device, and to update your application on this device is quite easy. So this is how to update app on Samsung phone. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit like, and of course you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.